Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hello, privet. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make this mandala design with an Independence Day twist. I'm starting off with my Ddiin Exlicon tool to get perfect measurements and nice even circles. In the center, I have placed an empty pen refill as a holder, along with my favorite pencil. First, I marked 18 points using the dots and joined them with straight lines. Then using the tiny guide dots on the tool, I drew the circles you can see in the video. I know it might be a little tricky to follow just from this explanation, but don't worry, if possible, I will walk you through it step by step in a live stream. So stay connected. I will share the live stream details on the community tab a day before we go live. So, at first I used the center point and these little dots to make the circles. But now, since we are going bigger, I'm going to use one of the points at the very top of the tool along with the first point right after the center. And just like that, all the measurements are sorted. For the rest of the process, you can watch the full video. And for my next video scheduled for next month, should I make a simple black and white mandala or a colorful one? Let me know your choice in the comments.